What is up and good morning. Today we're unboxing something that's about to grind its way into our hearts. This is the Ingco 20-volt lithium-ion grinder. It's compact, it's powerful, and versatile enough to make your DIY dreams a reality. Okay, let's unpack the box and see what we get. That's your extension tool. This is your main box with the side for the battery, your speed control, the extension connector, and wow, look at this, bonus accessories. It's like this thing has come with a party pack. Next up we have the battery, 20 volts of pure let's get to work, and the charger because even power tools need a coffee break. Give me a sec to take out a fresh battery. Let's put everything together and see how this all works. Here's your battery. And now for that click of satisfaction. There it is. This grinder means business. Let us hook up that extension cable for a small demo. And now for the moment of truth. Will it grind or will it end up as a punchline of this video? Let us find out. Look at that. Smooth, efficient, and oddly satisfying to watch. Damn, this thing is a bit insane. I want to pop on an accessory head and see how this thing really does. Okay, I see there's a little spanner and there's a top end with the lock button. Pressing your lock button and twist the top head left or right, it should lock into place, and that will allow you to open up for the accessory. So this tool has a 3.2 millimeter collet head, which should allow you to put in smaller tools for engraving purposes. So not only can you do delicate work, you can also do quite heavy duty stuff. Time for demo number 2. Wow, damn, this thing is impressive and powerful. Okay, so there you have it, the Ingco 20-volt lithium-ion grinder. Tougher metal, easy on the eyes, and officially my new favorite gadget. Like and subscribe for more random videos.